This is the construction for finding the center of rotation. So we have triangle DEF that has been rotated and mapped to triangle D prime, E prime, F prime, and we want to find what point it was rotated around. So this involves doing the perpendicular bisector construction 2 times. And same as with the line of reflection, we need to make sure we're using corresponding points. So I'm going to use F and F prime first. So starting on F prime, the compass is open more than halfway. Same from F. So there's my first line of, my first perpendicular bisector. Now I need to do a second perpendicular bisector, and I'm going to use points D and D prime, those corresponding points. So first from D prime, and same thing, I'm going to make sure that my compass is open more than halfway. From D, and then I'm going to draw my second perpendicular bisector. Just like that. And where my two perpendicular bisectors intersect, so right up here, this will be my center of rotation. I could call that point A, for example. So triangle DEF was rotated around point A.